Hi guys, today another unboxing. So this one is a COWIN wireless headphone. So this is a E7 Pro ANC wireless headphone. So ANC is active noise canceller or noise cancelling headphone. So the box is very simple, so nothing much written here. It's just like information to contact the support and the website of COWIN Electronics, but no specification. So what I will do is put some specification here on the screen. Okay, start unboxing this one. So I purchased this one from Amazon, then it arrived about a week or so. Yep. Take out the plastic. Okay, then where to open? Just maybe just like this. Okay, now here you go. So there's a thank you note from COWIN. So they are like a 15 years 15 years old company. Okay, then here is the headphone. So with a very nice case, it's like a rubber material and zipper. Okay, now here we go. So on this side I can see there's a USB cable. So this is micro USB for charging. Then there's another cable here. This is the audio cable, so 3.5 millimeters. So you can use this if you want to connect the headphone, but you don't want to use a wireless at some point, so you can use this one. So there's an option to be wired. Then some documentation here. Notice, where's this? So about the safety. So just 5 volts for the USB. Then warranty card. I'll read those more later on. Then there's information like a owner's guide, user's manual. So this will give some information on how to connect the device, the headphone, to your devices. Then also the instruction. So pairing phones, TV. So to pair headphone to your smartphone, TVs, and computers. I'll read through this later on. Then here is the headphone. Wow, really nice. So very smooth and soft, like a sponge. So that will be very comfortable when you're wearing it. Then also this is not really hard, so just right fitting probably. Then you can just pull this out if you have a bigger head. Let's see how the maximum. This is the maximum. Okay, here as you can see, there should be like a indication left or right. So this one is right. You can see here, right, and this is left. Okay, so on the right side you can see there's this option for 3.5 millimeters. Then you have the on-off switch. What else? So there's still plastic, so take this out. Then on the left side, this one is the connection for the charger, so micro USB. Then there's an indicator probably here, and then metallic material. I think, I'm not sure, probably it's plastic, but like a metallic. Okay, then on this side there's like buttons, probably for that. This is a minus and plus for probably volume control, and also for maybe on the music selection, if you can forward or reverse. Then this one is something to do with the probably wireless connection or Bluetooth, but I will read through it later on. Look at this. Okay, so that's it, nothing much. Okay, so really nice headphone. Then I will test this one, and the main purpose of this one is for me is when I'm watching TV. So I want to watch TV alone sometimes, and I need to wear a headphone, so I will be using this one. So again, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. So I will also put a link to the video description on my observation on the sound quality of this one, and also where you can find the market availability and pricing of this one as well. So again, thank you for watching.